I will leave the parts list in the description. This is the error code that showed up. Also, the lights around the dial would blink all at the same time. I didn't catch that on camera. You have to remove the silver cap in the center with a screwdriver. That's afterwards. There's one screw that holds it on. Just pull on it and it'll come off. There's 6 screws that hold the hub assembly in. It's 2 pieces. That's it being removed. There's the second piece of it. It fits underneath. That's the damaged part. It's the internal part. There's slight damage on the spline on the shaft. It kept stripping the gears out because the spline has been damaged. So what I ended up doing is I took rubbing alcohol and I cleaned the shaft down with a rag. Then I masked it off. Then I mixed up some JB Weld. Applied it to the lower half of the shaft. Press the gear on it. If you can remove all the masking tape before the JB Weld gets extremely hard, it would make the job easier. I end up having to take a screwdriver and a hammer and remove part of it. 6 screws hold it in place. Screw them down. Put that back, put the screw in it. Put the cap and you're done.